Assalamu alaikum grade 2, how are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates and teachers. But no problem class, we people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. As you people know that we have proceeded towards our second term. Fine. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today I am going to conduct your English text class. The date today is 22nd January 2021 and the day is Friday. Okay class, I would like to request you guys, you go to your bags and fast you people bring up your course book too. Fine. Okay class, before proceeding towards the chapter from our course book, I would like to show you some of the pictures. When you see this picture, what comes to your mind? Which picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of a bulb. Fine. So what do you think? So how, if you want to switch it on, what do you need? Yes, it needs electricity. So we come to know that this is an electric light. Fine. It is the source of providing like it is run by electricity. Fine. Okay. Now which picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of a torch. Okay. When you need to switch it on, what do you need? Does it need electricity or it runs by a battery or a cell? Yes, it does not need electricity. It just runs by a battery by a cell. Now, which picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of a lamp. Fine. And how do you run it? Like how do you switch it on? If you need to switch it on, you need electricity for that. So this is the thing that is run by electricity, that is switched on by electricity. Okay, when you see this picture, what comes to your mind? What is this? Yes, this is a candle. Okay, when you need to switch it on, what do you need? You don't need any electricity, you just need a matchbox. Fine. So this is the manual source of, like, it provides light, but this is a manual source. Fine, to provide light. Okay, this is the picture of a lantern. Fine. So how do you run? Like if you need to switch it on, turn it on, what do you need? Do you need any electricity? No, you just need gas. Fine. It runs by a matchbox or it needs some sort of gas. Fine, to switch it on, to turn it on. Okay, now class, open up page number 49. Now you can see this title, electric light. Yes, as I showed some of the pictures to you guys, so we are going to proceed towards the reading of this chapter, electric light. I explained you this chapter, but again I'm going to do the review of this chapter. Fine. Now what is this? These are some of the sources of light that we have discussed before. Fine. Now let's start to read the chapter. Many years ago there were no electric lamps. When the sun went down, it became very, very dark. People were afraid to go out because it was so dark. So it is discussed about the previous era के बहुत साल पहले की बात है कि electric lamps नहीं होते थे. There was not any source of electricity and people were very much afraid to go outside because of no electricity. It was so much dark outside. Okay, now come to page number 50. Oil lamps gave a little light. When you see this picture, the children are studying fine under the light of the lantern. Fine. So you see, you compare yourself with the with the people, with the students studying in the previous era, in the previous time. They were so much eager to study that they use the light of the lantern. And we alhamdulillah are having all the facilities and we are we are so much, हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा जो है ना पढ़ाई में बहुत नेग्लिजेंट हो जाते हैं. We are not, you people do not pay that much attention as that is required. Sometimes it happens, you people want to play, fine, but those people, they did not have so many facilities to study, but they look so much eager to study. Now come to the reading text. Oil lamps gave a little light, but it was difficult to read or do any work with an oil lamp. ठीक है ना. जो लिटिल लाइट, ये जो ऑयल लैम्प्स होते थे, लाइट लैंटर्न जो होती थी, बहुत कम लाइट देते थे लोगों को. एंड इट वाज वेरी मच डिफिकल्ट फॉर द पीपल टू स्टडी. ठीक है. नाउ इट इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट. अब बहुत डिफरेंट है ना. एट नाइट व्हेन इट गेट्स डार्क, वी जस्ट पुट ऑन द लाइट्स. ठीक है ना. अब जब लाइट चली जाती है हम क्या करते हैं? जब अंधेरा हो जाता है हम क्या करते हैं? वी जस्ट टर्न ऑन द लाइट्स. we have all the facilities. Then it is like daytime की तरह हो जाता है. We can read books or study our lessons. Now you don't need any lantern as if they people are using. ठीक है. We can use the computer or watch television. We have all the facilities of entertainment. Fine. We can watch television programs. You people can use the computers now in this time period. Fine. The street lights are switched on, so it is not dark outside. जब आप रात को निकलते हैं कभी, sometimes if you want to go for outing, so what happens, the street lights are switched on. तब आपको डर नहीं लगता. It is not dark outside. We are not afraid to go outside. हमें डर नहीं लगता. As if in the previous era the people were afraid. Electric lamps give us light to see in the dark. ठीक है ना. Electric lamps जो होते हैं electricity से जो चलते हैं वो हमें light देते हैं dark में भी, अंधेरे में भी. Do you know who made the first electric bulb? Yes, I guess some of the students know. Yes, it was Thomas Alva Edison. ठीक है ना. He was an inventor. He was a scientist. What is the name of this scientist? Thomas Alva Edison. He was an inventor. He made many new and useful things. ठीक है ना. उसने और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें बनाई थी. He lived in America about 100 years ago. ठीक है. कहाँ पे रहता था वो? अमेरिका में पैदा हुआ था. And it is the time of 100 years ago. तकरीबन 100 साल पहले की बात है. Edison worked very hard to make the electric light bulb. उसने बहुत मेहनत की इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब बनाने के लिए. Many people tried before him to make light bulbs, but their bulbs burned for a little while and then went bad. बहुत सारे और भी साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने कोशिश की बल्ब बनाने की, but it was all in vain. It was of no purpose. Like they could not, the bulbs did not give proper lights. But their bulbs burned for a little while and then went bad. मतलब उनके bulbs थोड़ी देर के लिए जलते थे और बुझ जाते थे. But their bulbs burned. Okay, sorry. Edison found out how to make a bulb work for many hours. Now when the sun goes down, Edison's bulbs come on. They fill the world with light. Edison ने बहुत मेहनत की. उसके बाद उसकी बहुत अथक मेहनत के बाद क्या हुआ? Now he invented the bulb, and now whatever the light we are getting, that is the strive and struggle of Edison. When you grow up, would you like to become an inventor too, like Edison, and make new and useful things? Now this is a question. कि जब आप बड़े होंगे क्या आप एडिसन की तरह कोई चीज़ बनाना चाहेंगे? Okay, class, at the end I have asked a question to you. Just ponder on this point. When you become elder, what you want to be? ठीक है ना. Would you like to be an inventor or whatever you want to be? Would you be a source of giving comfort to others? क्या आप दूसरों को कोई सहूलत देना चाहेंगे? ठीक है. Just think about this. We'll discuss inshallah in the next coming class. Till then, I guess your concept of this chapter must have been cleared. Okay. Till then, you people take a very good care of your health. Allah Hafiz from my side.